Hello, my name is Omar and I'm a computer programmer. Today I'm going to show you how to auto-organize into folders using file types on a Mac. The way to do this is to use something called Smart Folders. So the way you want to do this is go ahead to your Finder window and you could either click on your desktop or go down to your dock and click Finder. Either way you'll be on the Finder screen. So go ahead to File and click New Smart Folder. Once you're there, just make sure that you press the button Kind on the top toolbar, and that will arrange your items by the file type it is. Another way you can do that is to click the plus icon and click on File Extensions. If file extension is not there, click Other and go ahead and check File Extension in the list to make it show up on the menu. Once it's there, just click Save and save your new Smart Folder anywhere you want. And as soon as you do that, whatever you put into the new Smart Folder will be auto-organized by file type. I'm Omar and I hope you enjoyed my video. Have a good day.